Hey guys, this is Joyce and I am here with a new unboxing for, and I don't see all my paperwork. Who is this for? Oh, In Love Art Shop. I got a new package from them, and I don't know if I should call it a design team package or they asked me to work with them again. You know, I did it a month or so ago and did some videos and unboxings, and so they contacted me and said they'd like to work with me again, so I was excited about that. And so they gave me so much to what was it, I think like $25 to decide on. I'm trying to see what's the best. Oh, they're upside down. $25 to choose whatever and do some videos for them. So I decided that I would do it again, and because I really did enjoy it the last time. So first off, what I got were some stamps. I have not stamped with them, and then, like I said, this is one of those packages that I just recently got, but I wanted to go ahead and get this so I can actually start creating. So sorry for the glare off of that, but these are just some clear stamps. I don't know if they are polymer or not, but they are sentiments, and they just say thank you for being so thoughtful, so sweet of you, celebrate your day, make me smile, I'm so grateful for you, you are a blessing to me. So look for these to be used a lot, because you know you can never have too many sentiments. Lord knows I know it. And this one is like a night sky, and if you put paper on, say you did it with the gold, it would look like, and did it on black, that could be a night sky. Or if you cut the paper out in black and then put the gold under it, I think that would be really cool and make it a night scene. So look for that, because I have some buildings that would be great up against some buildings. But anyway guys, this is the first one, and they don't have names and I didn't pull them all up, but just suffice it to say that in the box below will be a link to all of these dies and stamps. So, but I think this one is called Night Sky, and I can't wait. And then this one, I saw it used, and like I said, I'm going to leave links in the box below. I am not getting paid to do these, but they did pay for the product. And this set, I thought this would be so pretty on a card, and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dies, and I think that would be such a pretty front on a card. And they are, sorry guys, so it is 5 3/4, so it would be a little bigger than a A2 card, because it's about, the big one is about 5 3/4. The second size would be great on the A2 card. So yeah, I could do a 5x7 and turn it this way. But anyway, look forward to seeing these really soon. And like I said, I'll have the links to each along with the names of the dies. And then this set was a 3-piece set, and I got it because first I liked the frame. So I'm gonna cut these tomorrow, and maybe I'll do a second video showing them cut. And then this one is like a label die, and then this one could also be used and stamp a word or stamp your sentiment in between them. So I'm going to put a link to each of these, And then tomorrow I'll cut them out so you can see exactly what they look like. And these, I need to find my nippers so that I can cut them apart. I'm glad they put them together like this. And I'll just have to go to Michael's and get some magnetic sheets so that I can put these on. Once I cut them apart, I don't want them to be in the plastic, so I'll do that tomorrow. But that is such a nice shape. I don't have anything like this. So guys, that is my unboxing. Stay tuned because I will be back showing you what each thing looks like and using them on projects. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, I need to take an allergy pill for real. So I will be back. I am on a roll here. So this is my In Love Art Shop package unboxing, as you will, but it actually came in one of those padded envelopes. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and I will be back with projects using these products. Bye.